Hello again, this is Nissan Qashqai 2008. We finished with installation of that Android navigation with 9-inch with octa-core CPU, 8GB of RAM and 64GB internal storage. This is original radio. We also installed a rear HD parking camera with wide angle. Steering wheel controls works. Source button. Okay. We have each station indoor. That is perfect. Illumination of the buttons works also. Okay. Illumination is red. Original is it's red or something like amber. It's almost the same. Okay. Let's stop that noisy keypad tone. Menu, settings, device, sound, keypad tone off. Okay. In factory settings, we will deactivate in car original car agreement. We will deactivate radar options because this car doesn't have a Parktronic system. Okay, let's check the iGo navigation. It's perfect. We have 9 satellites in view. Indoor location is okay. Okay, let's check device, about device. Android 14 version. CPU octa-core 1.6 GHz, 8GB RAM, 64GB storage internal. The best model in Bulgaria from our friends in from Car Media Bulgaria. If you have any questions, you can write a comment. I will answer everybody. And if you need upgrades for your car, navigation, parking camera, speakers, amplifier, sound insulation, subwoofer, LED lights for your car, you can contact us. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.